Now, this is a very interesting question, and you will realize that if you can use the wire gauze to weigh down the ice cube to make it sink to the bottom of the water, because usually ice cube will float, and you hold a flame to the top part of the water. Essentially, what happens is the water at the top will start to boil as per usual, but the ice cube will remain intact. It will melt very, very slowly. And therefore, this actually proves that water is a bad conductor of heat, because the only mechanism for thermal energy to transfer from the top part of the water to the bottom part of the water is conduction, for the particles to slowly collide into the neighboring water molecules and like a domino effect, spread the heat all the way down to the bottom. Conduction is actually a very, very slow process. In this case, convection, which is much faster, cannot happen because the hot water region is at the top, so it cannot rise any further. There wouldn't be any convection cycle set up. If I put the test tube, if I put the fire at the bottom of the test tube, then yes, then there will be a convection current, and then the heat will be spread out more evenly and much quicker. So therefore, this is an interesting experiment to prove that conduction is actually a very, very slow process.